This is a hub, ice maker for mummy. Coffee and tea. Village Hub. Right, come on Brady, take us to it.
5151 and 5153.
Okay, just down here on the left.
5153.
Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? Right, come on.
5154.
Yeah.
Okay. There's 2 beds up here.
Cool. And turn the lights on. Put the thing in. Yeah, push the card in. There we go.
That's where we have to go.
Right, bathroom.
What's that?
Toilet. Right, don't know how to do the bathroom. There you go.
No.
Toilet.
What's that sprinkler thing?
Shower. Hanging space.
Oh, look at that picture. What's
We got water tap, sink. That's your sink for everything. There's Roman's bed. What's that, Brady? Right, do it.
Yeah, we have to open the other door.
Okay.
Well, now we're gonna get out of the window.
Well, you've got a key for the other door.
Yeah.
So use one of them. Go on.
Yeah, we've seen it. You can push out.
Telly. Big sliding door to the other room. 2 single beds. And sea view.
Hello, this is a wobbly.
Right, look, I think it folds into the door. Like that. That's good.
This is your room.
Oh, that's nice. Nice big bed. Little telly.
Get the light.
Turn the lights on. Yeah, please, Brady. Yeah, so this slides. So you can slide to. Thank you. Well done. So this is slightly different, isn't it? It
Oh
feels.
wait, no, this is different because look at this.
Oh yeah, toilet separate.
Yeah, it's like a little door.
And then bathroom. I'm going to turn those lights on. There you go. Bathtub.
And I'll put the card right here.
Going
There's
for a
2
shower
cards.
head.
Right, a full
Normal
card.
shower head. Bathtub. A little bit of space next to it. And then really long vanity. Place for the cases. Big mirror. And then mini bar. Mini bar, mini fridge. And then, wow.
What's this view?
That's good, isn't it?